$600 right now. Cash you out. On today's episode of Hauling Hoopties with Rob, we take my 66 New Yorker for a rip, do some burnouts, and then we try to negotiate a deal on a 79 Malibu Wagon that's a little bit rusty. Special guest star, Tony Baloney. This is where they ticket people at. No, is there? I don't know if there's a camera here. You want some smoke? Here, watch. You'll make a snowstorm. Can't see anything. Go to his garage to get the batteries. Just put the batteries on.
For what?
Try to start the Astrovan probably.
Today?
Maybe if it don't. Gotta see if it's gonna get dark by the time we get home.
It's supposed to storm.
I don't know. There's no place to park.
Park right there.
It's fire plug. Sorry.
You only get a ticket.
Yeah, you're gonna have to pay the ticket.
And if...
What you say? Do you smell smoke?
It's breaking down.
Breaking down? That was tire smoke all over your daddy's car. Watch out, watch out. Hey, get out of there. It's alright, we're just going to grab a battery. Oh, you know what? I bought this Avalanche. I didn't even look at it.
What?
I said, this is my Avalanche. I didn't even look at it. He went to pick it up. I didn't even look at it. It's not that bad.
Please don't start talking with that piece of junk.
It's not that bad. It's not that bad at all. It's got nice tires on it. It's not that bad. I'm not going to do anything with it. I'm going to sell it, but it is what it is. Let me look at my motor. We're taking this out real soon. We are. We are. Did you check the numbers on the back? Or 010, right?
That's your motor?
You know what?
Did you buy it?
Yeah, this is my motor. It's already bought. On the head, on this side, it would tell me what it's from. But the alternator's in the way. Motor's coming out real soon. It is. And that's the I'm getting a carburetor too, right?
No,
what?
The other one.
Yeah. This is not the battery, right? This is the 24. Is it 25?
I don't know, I gotta check it.
Huh? Alright, don't blow my shit up. My motor's coming out real soon. It is. You want 500 for the wagon? Just get it over and done with. 500.
Said no.
let me get it for 500. I'll cash out 500.
No.
This had dual exhaust too, didn't it?
Yeah.
I already bought the motor. Just let me get the wagon too. I'll give you 600. This fucking guy.
75.
What?
Matters.
What's the date? Is it 7? Is it
1024.
that's already a.
Brand new though. I never used it. Got the caps on it.
What do you mean? You never used it? You sure?
Yeah, I never plugged it in. Brand new.
So don't work. I want my money back.
It's brand new.
Or actually, I haven't even paid you yet. You're not gonna pay. You won't get paid. I'll take the wagon. You want to make a deal with the wagon?
No.
I'll give you 600. I already got the motor.
You gotta be fucking crazy.
You only pay what you pay for it. 1,200.
1100.
1,100.
Crazy.
The motor I already gave you 250 for the motor, right? Don't blow my shit up. I gave you 250 for the motor. So 250. What's the balance? 250. Let me do my math. Where's my phone? I'll just cash out and get it over and done with. Let me see. You paid 1,100, right? Let me see. You offered to me the other day. Minus 250. 850.
Like a giant screw thing. And
This
then I
guy.
found a giant
Let me
bolt.
see.
Found a couple pennies.
I'll cash you out. You're not gonna lose that much money. 600, and I'll leave the motor in there.
I mean,
Come on, you're not gonna lose that much money.
they weren't.
Selling my wagon for $600. You gotta be retarded. It's got turbo 400 and everything, and I'm not selling for $600.
Come on, I'll cash you out
No.
right now. I'll trade you for the Avalanche.
Get the fuck out of here. You gotta be crazy.
Well, I still found them.
Wagon's not for sale. Not unless it's a chunk of money.
Let me see the back floors. Cause I'll fix it up, make you eat your heart out. That's what you worried
It's
about.
not for sale.
Why'd you lock it up?
Because I keep my headers in there. Got a bunch of extra small objects that pull my Chevy shit.
This front kind of looks like a fox body.
Fox body, no it doesn't. That's
From
junk.
the from right here.
Raggedy ass Honda.
It's got some other shit back there. With small block Chevy wires.
Save that stuff.
It's got a water neck. Chrome
I'm
water
not
neck.
taking this shit today. I gotta.
No, I know what I'm saying. Chrome water neck.
Let's see. How's the back floor?
It needs wood.
Yeah, no. I want to see how bad they are because I just made you an offer.
The passenger side is not bad.
I just made you an offer. Tony, come here.
Maybe it's got cruise control too.
Tony, here.
What are you picking up?
Quarter. I'll cash you out 600. You don't have to do nothing. Just think about it.
I won't think about it.
Think about it. Here,
For sale.
cash you out 600. And the good thing is, it doesn't have a roof rack. I like that it doesn't have a roof rack.
Small box Chevy roof. Sugar camera.
Yeah, well, don't save that. I would just throw some tin on the floor and be done with it. This way, it's not perfect.
I had to fix the brakes. It doesn't have no brakes at all. I had to fix the brakes.
I'll cash you out 600.
No.
Come on.
No.
I already paid you for the motor. The motor is mine.
The wagon's not worth $600. It has a roller. It's worth more than that.
Damn it.
The transmission by itself is probably worth
No.
$250.
Nah.
You
You don't even know if it's any good.
It is good. I moved it back and forth.
You don't know if it shifts.
It most likely
Well, it's under that. I can get it. Where?
I mean, it's a nice rat rod. How's that side?
This side's clean. It's just the driver's side. And my headers.
If you throw in the headers, I'll cash you out.
I paid $250 for that.
That's your problem, dude. I'm looking. Listen, if you overpay for shit, I ain't gotta, you know. I'm trying to make a deal.
You need a headlight. Oh, they're different, right?
What? Nah, I already got the headlight.
7x6 headlight in there.
I need the bucket.
Yeah. Let's see if I can show it.
All right, we'll save that. I can't fit. Actually,
Brand new
all right,
fucking
just
cabin,
put it over there.
No,
Put it
I
in,
didn't say I was giving you this.
no, I'm taking that.
No,
Put it in my trunk.
This is for a small block Chevy.
Put it in my trunk.
No.
You don't need that. You have a small block Chevy.
I'll keep it around.
You just said you're gonna give it to me.
I lied.
This fucking guy.
Well, man, old shit.
Wells is the brand, genius. Just give it to me.
When I take everything out, I gotta see what I got. It's a brand new one.
Go to that corner. No.
You don't have a small block Chevy.
Got the water back there, too.
Did you look at the chassis real good?
Yeah, the chassis clean. I don't know what you're looking for. It's not for
Because
sale.
I'm gonna wind up
It's not for
cashing
sale.
you out, and it's a done deal.
You hit my truck, you're gonna have a problem. Let you know that.
That little tiny ball. That's.
What did I just say?
Yo! Stop! Cut it out. This might be mine. That my shit up.
Oh, yours. This is
It
not
is
even
yours.
your car.
It might be.
I never checked the factory fuel system too, though. It's already hosed up right here. I never checked it. I just ran it to here with a pump. I tell you what, the motor's healthy though.
Where's the carb you give me?
Over here on the shelf. There was not wrong.
What, the gold painted one?
Nah, the gold painted one I sold on the Mustang. This is the one that was originally on the car. Ain't nothing wrong with this car. That was on it.
Let me see, I can't see that far.
600.
All right. I'm gonna make this go. I'll cash you out. Come on.
No.
You're not gonna do anything with it.
I got a B&M trans. I got a lot of shit. B&M
You're not gonna do anything with it.
B&M trans cooler. I got two of them. Two trans. I got another one there too.
Yes, that hurt.
You're not gonna do anything with the wagon. You know it. I know it.
Huh?
You're not gonna do anything with it.
Yeah.
You sold the Mustang. You sold the Mustang.
Yeah, this is different.
Here.
I already bought the wheels for it.
I don't want the wheels. I believe it or not, I don't even like those wheels, but they look good in this.
I got the headers for it.
Come on, Steve, I
Block
just got
headers. I bought the
scared.
calipers.
Come on.
These things are
Calipers, the
following
brake
us.
lines, right there. And the nice thing about this wagon is the chassis is mint.
I'll cash you out right now. Come on. Come on.
Chassis is mint. I clean the chassis back here.
All right, let's go. Come on, Baloney. Your brother don't want to make. You don't want to make no deals. 600 right now. Cash you out.
Take your money with you.
Because the engine's already mine. Once I take that
Your
motor
money.
out, that shit ain't good. It's not
your
gonna.
money.
You're not gonna do anything with that. I don't have a wagon. I'll give you the 850. How's that? You got to throw in the headers. 850 and you throw in the headers.
Fuck out of here. That's 600 for the car and 250 for the headers.
I need to make a deal.
That's not a deal.
It's got to be a deal on my
I'm
end.
losing a penny on the car.
What other? All right, I need the calipers that I sold you.
I'm not losing a penny on the car.
The calipers I sold you. The brake lines so I can fix it. And then I'll sell it back to you once I fix it. I'll say make it run, make it drive.
Not for sale.
All right, whatever. Carry the battery. Come on, Baloney.
Tony,
Yep.
Tony, get your phone.
Your brother will think about it.
I ain't gonna take it.
You will.
Not for sale.
You will. You'll think about
Take
it.
the money.
All right, whatever, dude. Whatever.
You need that fucking junk over there.
I'll buy that back
It's
for
a
you.
Walmart.
I'll give you $250 for it.
Yeah. Your deals don't work.
Well, I never pay retail.
That's not my problem. You don't want to get paid.
Make sure this jackass don't hit my car.
The lane's open.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Yeah. You got a tail light out too.
All right.
Don't put it like that. You can't throw these weeks in there.
What tail light's out?
This one. Brake light. Inside.
All right. He said my light is open.
Patience.
I know.
Damn. The car is so big.
This is a trunk.
Is that, what is that? Is that the,
You know what?
Daddy, is that the jack for this?
Which one is? Tony, go step on the brake.
Is that the jack?
Yeah, I don't know what that is. Step on the brake. Alright, this one's out.
Yeah, it's the inside.
Alright, I'm bringing on Monday. Yeah, I got it. There should be a...
31.
No, that's alright. You got any bulbs?
Mm-mm.
I'll probably drive it Monday when I go to the garage. Alright. Cash you out. You want to make a deal or no? How much you want? $850? I already own the motor.
What's the motor? The motor's nothing.
Heads up.
$850 will be even. This way you don't lose any money. All right. Think about it. All right, lug nut. Give me a hug. Go
LeBron
on.
James.
Stop messing with my head. You're gonna break my head. And whose phone is that?
Yeah.
All right, we're out. I'll see you later. What's up, gentlemen? One Powerball, please. Thank you, brother. Try these up. Nope, still losing. Another one? Yeah, alright. Thanks, guys.